And that's over the fence. Alright, get your tea. Yeah, we're going to have to go get the ball. Come on. There it is. Got it? Okay, come on. Stay back, Chewy. Stay back. Okay, let's go hit it again. Okay, hit it again. Yeah, you hit it against the house. Here's another one. There's another one. Hey, say, hit it.